Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to High Education Center by Trula Overseas, and today we are going to have a very special guest on our student talk show. She is a medical student from a very well renowned university in Latvia, that is Riga Stradiņu University, Ms. Shrishti Thakur. Also in this particular interview, we'll be having her parents, her mother Mrs. Seema Thakur and her father Mr. Sanjay Thakur, who has supported her in her dreams of becoming a doctor, joining us from Mumbai, India. Well, I have to tell you guys that Riga Stradiņu University is not just an institution. It's a very well-renowned university, globally ranked around 400, and it strongly focuses on nanotechnology and medical robotics with highly clinical practices. So this is not just going to be an interview, but it will be a conversation and a testament that how a parents has supported her daughter to go miles away to fulfill her dreams to be a great doctor and have a great career ahead. So yes, let's dive in and hear directly from Ms. Shrishti Thakur and her parents about their experience, how their journey has been and everything. Let's hear it from them itself.
Hello guys, my name is Shrishti Thakur. I'm a second semester first year MBBS student here in RSU, which is in Latvia, Europe. I came here when I was 18, now I'm 19. And it's good here, the education, the people and everything. You will do so much stuff here apart from academics that will help you grow into a better version of yourself. Like the work-life balance here is good. Everything is like very organized, like how many classes we will have, like when we will have them. So like you can make plans around it, like when I need to study for this subject beforehand.
Yeah, I would like to ask this thing. Like since you have like 50 nationalities, like students all across from 50 plus nationalities, and everything, you are being a medical student there. So how is your like daily routine? How is your daily life there in Latvia?
It genuinely depends on the day and like how many classes you have. So for example, on Monday I had one class.
Okay.
But tomorrow I'm going to have 4 classes. It varies according to the day and your timetable. Like everybody has a different timetable. We also have online classes before like some hard subjects. Like what they do is that we have a thing called demo labs. We have those in morning and then we have a practical lab.
The laboratory and everything there for the practical classes. Are they really world class that we get feedback from the students? You have experienced it first time.
Labs are really good. Like they're. At first I felt like we didn't get to see enough bodies, but like we do see bodies a lot. But like here, like what they do is that we have lots of structures here, like plastic models and all. So during the class we use them, like the actual materials like there, and there are lots of study materials there as well. Like we also have lots of study materials online.
How are the professors and how is their behavior?
Professors are really good as well, like really good and helpful. Like if you ask them something, they will help you. And we also have various consultations, like you can go and like sign up for it. So and teacher will have a special time slot for them. Teacher support, like they support you really well if you like have questions. What me and some of my friends we are thinking is that during the winter break we will just apply to volunteer and then we like get some experience. So it's good, right, for the CV. During the winters, like most of our classes are gonna be like we are gonna be done with them.
That's also a good idea, being volunteering in the hospital during your vacation.
Yeah.
Have you also thought about any of your future plans, like what after MBBS? And क्या ये बातें आपके other batchmates से होती हैं?
Some of my friend, one person wants to go to USA because the pay is good there. One person she's from Bangladesh, she wants to go back there. I know for a fact that many of my friends, they will like to continue their further education here in Europe itself.
It's very early stage, लेकिन जैसे अगर आप अपना second year से get an idea कि आप post graduation कहाँ से करेंगे, like the one who are from European countries, so they are by default going to go to their countries and have this thing. अगर like you are looking to go to Switzerland और Germany और Luxembourg और Austria, ये सब जगह German language चलती है. Whatever the process that is to be done, that we will take care of at that time. Might have already got the idea कि अगर आपने किसी senior से बात किया, what type of stipend they get in Latvia in their post graduation, क्या मिलता है उनको? Do you have got any idea?
So it's around like 1,500 to 2,000 euros per month.
So 1,500 to 2,000 euros while you do your post graduation.
Yes.
And the thing is that increases every year. Going to be in Switzerland or Italy or Germany, in these countries, even at the time of post graduation, it's around 4,000 to 5,000 euros. And by the time you will complete your 6 year of MBBS, उस समय और भी बहुत ज़्यादा होगा. Have you ever felt any kind of uneasiness from the point of safety and security in the country?
No, it's really safe. It's really safe here. Like, no matter the time or like the weather, it's really safe here.
There are no plans to go to some of the European countries like Switzerland or so.
My friends were thinking of going to Sweden, but it's still the plan. I have to ask my parents as well.
But
It's pretty cheap to go to other countries here. My group mates, they went to Lithuania and Estonia like 2 weeks back. It was cheap. Like, it's only like 10 euros one way.
भी आप जो स्पेंड कर रहे हैं वो पहले जैसा कर रहे हैं या कम कर दिया सौरभ सर?
नहीं, कम हो गया, बहुत कम हो
If
गया.
from सौरभ सर helped or not? उन्होंने ठीक से बताया आपको how to manage the expense?
Now it has reduced significantly.
So अभी आप कितना एक्सपेंस कर पा रहे हैं महीने में?
120 euro.
Accommodation
It's
that
pretty
is?
low from no, excluding the accommodation. So it's like 250-ish per
250
month.
to 300 euro, that's 250 so that.
Do you do sports? Like I have heard that you do sports activities and a lot of
Yes,
stuff.
yes.
So yeah, tell about
Yes,
that.
lot of sports actually. So I didn't used to go to gym before in India, but now I do that as well. And okay, so I play basketball, football, volleyball, table tennis, and card games as well. I also have picked up running as well, and I love to walk a lot, so I do that a lot here as well.
That's so great. Like you're actually being there, enjoying the life, also studying academically, but
Yes.
exploring other things as well. That's really great.
Yes. I'm always up for a side quest here.
6 साल की आपकी जर्नी है जिसमें आप अच्छे से हंसेंगे भी, खेलेंगे भी, स्पोर्ट्स भी करेंगे, दुनिया भर के डिफरेंट लोग से भी मिलेंगे और फिर आप अपना डिग्री भी कंप्लीट करेंगे.
And meanwhile, the 6 years, the personality you will become, you will be proud of yourself more than anybody else. That I can promise, Shrishti.
Yes.
Also, I can see Srishti since like in this 8 months and 1 year, आपका
She has
confidence
grown
like
up. She has got
she
a
has
glow
grown.
up, to be honest. Like the way she speaks. I met her at Diamond Center. She was a young kid, but now I can see like a mature girl who is living her life by her own and like making a path for her career.
So I would like to like get the idea since when you were here in India, you just passed out your 12th. I guess you were around 17 or about to reach 18 at that time.
Yeah, I was 17.
And I guess this was the
17.
this was the first time that you traveled out of the country, right?
Yes. I have never traveled in India. Like, I never travel alone between states, but I travel alone to abroad. I have grown a lot after coming here. Like, I have learned so many skills that I didn't had before. Like, for example, now I'm cooking a lot more, which I never used to do before.
Great.
And I have become independent as well, managing my finance, making food, spending how should I spend my time, and going out as well. I always have somebody messaging me like, do you want to go here? Do you want to, like, we students here, one of our hangout spot is to grocery stores. Like, we go there together, and like we go to walks together, we play games, cards here together. It's good.
It's also very important part of it, like having an international education, real international education, it enriches you in that manner as well. And for the confidence, the first thing that I said to you, I met you 1 year back, and today when I'm seeing you,
Truly, I can also see that thing. Like,
तभी
I
आप
met her,
एक
she was really
बहुत
young.
भोले से
kid,
बच्चे
very
थे,
happy
like-
kid, giving exam. Hopefully, she has done like this. Hopefully, I get in. I have the video with me. She's like, hopefully, I get in. But the life is like that. She has got something better instead. But
so you might be a little nervous initially while going there.
Honestly, I was not that nervous because I was mentally prepared, like I had time to gather strength and all. First 2 months, I was literally so confused about it, but like I had some seniors and my roommate, she was really helpful. So I was able to settle in pretty fast.
The initial support that Shruti provided was that of help, and is she still in touch with you?
Yeah. She's really helpful. Like, I see her almost every day nowadays.
There are many students that are about to go now. I guess you have not become that much senior, but you have got enough information and experience that you can
Yes.
provide some support and guidance to them. सृष्टि, आप कब बुला रहे हैं पेरेंट्स को? क्या प्लान है? आप कब तक उनको घुमा रहे हैं यूरोप? यू आर प्लानिंग टिल व्हेन यू विल कॉल देम देयर?
When I will start earning.
नमस्ते
Okay,
सर,
we have
कैसे हैं आप?
pictures
Papa came.
also with us.
अभी वो सृष्टि वहाँ जाके पढ़ रही हैं, सारा उनका प्रोसेस हुआ. सो ऑन अ स्केल ऑफ 10 आप क्या रेट करेंगे एंड वेयर हम कहाँ और ज़्यादा अच्छा कर सकते हैं? We can-
Overall experience is very good. There's no point of any negative marking. Actually, I don't wanted to waste her academic period because day by day in India, a lot of competition are increasing. So medical courses is very vast. That's why on the suggestion of Saurabh sir and madam also, then we planned for the second option. We have attended so many seminars in Mumbai with the Srishti, wherever I used to go with the Srishti. So many counselors were there. Everybody was saying that my institution is good. My nephew is studying. My daughter is studying. So many seminars on Sunday, Saturday, whenever I'm getting time. But I'm very much careful about my children's education background. जैसे Facebook से मुझे कॉल आ गया, मैं फिर सौरभ सर का नंबर देखा और वहीं से मेरा चैटिंग स्टार्ट हो गया. रियली मतलब जो मेहनत करने के बाद जो फायदा होता है ना, रियली बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत बहुत अच्छा होता है और आई एम लकी फॉर दैट.
I was asking sir कि as a parent like she was just 17 साल की थी सृष्टि और I
Yes,
just
sir.
the single child. तो as a parent ये बहुत बड़ा डिसीजन होता है
Yes.
कि अपने बच्चे को बाहर भेजना है. एंड गर्ल चाइल्ड को लेके और भी पेरेंट्स को रहता है कि
Yes.
बगल में रहे. वो एक लीप ऑफ फेथ लेना.
I used to tell her कि बच्चे बेटा ऐसा करना, ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा होता है. So she is bold. That's why I have taken the decision.
Like when your daughter is on this journey of becoming a doctor, like how do you feel as a father also? You must be very proud your daughter
Yes,
studying hard to become
Actually,
a doctor.
it was my wishes also. Earlier, I also wanted to become a doctor. So I wanted to see my dreams in my daughter.
She's also fulfilling her dream. She's adapted your dream and she's working hard towards it. You must be very proud on her.
Yes, ma'am. No doubt. I never went abroad except in Nepal, and she went to there. She said कि पापा मुझे रिसीव करने के लिए ना मर्सिडीज आई थी.
सिंस आप जैसे गेट इनटू द यूनिवर्सिटी ड्यू टू मेरिट, सो हम भी कोशिश करते हैं कि आपने कुछ अचीव करा है तो जब भी आप लैंड करें उस कंट्री में, सो आप द फर्स्ट डे यू गेट दैट फीलिंग. दैट्स व्हाई द मर्सिडीज एंड द बुके. यू गॉट द बुके एज वेल?
Yes, I did.
I have her pictures.
Just see right away inside the airport. We were waiting that we will take the selfie, photograph, etc. And she was so much eager.
मैम मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगा जब सृष्टि घर पे थी क्या वो घर का काम करती थी? Like, you know what she used to do?
आपको किचन वर्क तो उसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता था. थोड़ा बहुत रूम मैनेज करना उसका हॉबी था.
मैंने वेकेशन में सिर्फ वेकेशन किया, मैंने कुछ काम नहीं किया.
बाकी उसे किचन वर्क बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता था, कुछ भी.
भी आप देखो A to Z आपको खुद से करना है एंड आप कर
वहाँ
रहे
हैं।
कर रही है, यहाँ भी आई भी थी 2 months के लिए, तो मैंने बोला कुछ सीख लो, लेकिन नहीं.
For the vacations he is planning to go and volunteer in the hospitals. That's a good thing. वो आप जो the teachings that you have given to her, it is already
completely.
Yes.
जैसे मदर्स का होता है कि वो बच्चों से बहुत इमोशनल, लाइक पेरेंट्स फिर जो फादर्स होते हैं थोड़ा सा अपने आप को संभाल लेते हैं कि ठीक है स्ट्रांग बन जाते हैं माइंड से कि बेटी जाएगी, लेकिन मदर्स जो होती है थोड़ी इमोशनल होती है कि बेटी कम उम्र में जा रही है इतने दूर पढ़ने के लिए. तो आपको कैसा फील हो रहा था उस समय? लाइक
मुझे तो थोड़ा एज अ मदर मैं थोड़ी हूँ भी, मुझे तो रोना आता था बार बार सोच के भी, अभी भी आता है. लेकिन कृष्ण बहुत बोल्ड है. वो हमेशा मुझे मम्मी क्यों आप टेंशन लेती हो, मैं ठीक हूँ, मैं ठीक से रहती हूँ, आप टेंशन मत लो. इससे उसने मैनेज किया. कभी उसे ऐसा नहीं हुआ या कभी रोई नहीं कि घर की याद आ रही है या कुछ. तो अब थोड़ा हमें भी सेटिस्फेक्शन होता है कि
अरे मम्मी रो नहीं.
you have to take like correct step and correct action when you got the information. Like संजय जी को भी informations मिली, उन्होंने समझा उस चीज को कि हाँ ये मेरी बेटी के लिए अच्छा ऑप्शन रहेगा. And Shrishti, for that matter of fact, she's very lucky to have these kind of parents who are
Yes.
really supporting her in her dreams. You
Shrishti-
too,
Yeah, I'm really lucky in that matter.
seeing your daughter journey. So there are multiple parents, like this interview will be there. So there will be multiple parents who will be watching this interview and this thing as well. So
Yeah.
what piece of advice you would like to give them as well? Like since it's very we do have some conservative, like people feel like some safety concerns are there, or they feel like okay they should send their daughter or the girl child to that far. Like that is a bit of constraint sometimes happening in Indian parents who are
See, within the 1 year, I have already recommended so many persons, so many parents also.
Srishti, how much score you have in NEET?
NEET 2024, I got 412. Yes, only
And
once.
how much you scored in the IMET exam जिसमें हमने आपको दिल्ली सेंटर में
I don't remember. Was it 45, 50?
45 yes. I guess you were short of 5 marks, right? 5.
इसको प्रॉब्लम क्या हुआ कि जो 12th में पीसीबी के कारण जो मैथ्स का जो था ना इसमें नीट में आकाश में इसके कोई फैकल्टी नहीं मिला और ये एडिशनल सब्जेक्ट समझ के ये इसलिए इसका स्कोरिंग कम हो गया अदरवाइज ही वुड हैव 98% प्लस इसका मार्क्स आता
like students who are sitting here or like who are giving NEET or doing something, you don't know, but you have become already an inspiration for those students, to be honest, because they always, like you're currently wearing a lab coat, right? And these lab coats, they're going to the colleges, getting a medical seat. It's like a dream for Indian students because when you're studying in a college which ranking is 400 in the world, so like it's a huge thing in itself, and you have become like an inspiration. Like I do talk about you to students, and students really wish like to talk to Shrishti ma'am. Say, can I have your advice? So you have become an inspiration. So what message you would like to give to those students?
So first of all, I will tell them like NEET is not everything. People here don't even know what NEET even stands for. It's okay if you don't like do really well in NEET, because even if you do well, you are still not gonna get the seat, government seat. Just don't hesitate too much for anything. Just choose what you want and like go for it. Don't overthink too much about any like options. Like if you're deciding like yeah you wanna be a doctor, just look for it. First of all, many children's like students, they are like, I don't know what I want to do after 12th. Most of the people, they just give NEET for like other colleges as well, and or like just for like a try. But if you have decided that that you want to be a doctor, you have already chosen the most important thing that you have like to choose in your life. And then location also matters as well. Like if you're gonna study from somewhere in India, or do you want to go out? Location also matters greatly. And like so the option, like there are multiple options, so to choose that is also really important. Like you should know what you want in life.
The society has told them that there's only one way that they can clear NEET examination and then only they can be a doctor. That's how the mentality and the thinking of our society is. They actually don't know what are the other options. So you would like to suggest them to like explore more, right?
Yes. The thing is, my papa was like, I don't want you to waste your time.
That's okay.
So he started searching for like everything, like I could study medicine like in countries. So he was looking around and he was like, this is good. I was like, okay, yeah, let's go for it. And we just did it. Like it was not like he was asking, do you want to study outside? It was like, you have the opportunity. Do you want to waste another year, or do you just want to go and like don't waste your time and do something better in another country? So I was like, yeah, let's do it.
And it was really nice talking to you, or like to you, to Mr. and Sanjay and Ma'am Sinha. It's like really like it's some. We had met only once, and all your process was done online and everything. But connection we can feel.
Yes, sir.
देखो पेरेंट्स का कितना एफर्ट है एंड वी आल्सो पुट एफर्ट सो आई होप कि लाइक यू विल डू रियली गुड विल नॉट एवर बी डिस्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम योर फर्स्ट गोल बिकमिंग अ गुड डॉक्टर एंड बाकी सारी चीज़ें लाइफ में भी करनी होती हैं लाइक गेटिंग पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन ऑल अदर इवेंट्स को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज वी होप ऑल द बेस्ट एंड इफ इन एनी टाइम नीड एनी हेल्प एनी असिस्टेंस कभी आपको ऐसा भी लग रहा हो कि लाइक यू आर फीलिंग एग्जॉस्टेड so you can reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to help and assist you. आप स्टूडेंट स्विट्जरलैंड प्लान कर रहे हैं so उसमें भी आप कैसे बहुत कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं you can ask सौरभ sir and other people.
Well guys, this was the story of Ms. Srishti Thakur, a medical student at Riga Stradiņu University, Latvia. Her journey so far is actually a proof that if you have the courage to take one step forward towards your dream, nothing can stop you to be where you have always dreamt of. She has wrote her story by herself. So You also can turn your dreams into reality if you seek correct guidance, if you have the correct information, because this is the information age. If you have the correct information at correct time, and if you are ready to take that one step forward towards your dream, you can actually turn your dream into reality, taking a step out from your comfort zone. Like this, you can be writing your story in any profession, be it medical, engineering, management. All you need to do is come out of your comfort zone, take that one step at right time, take a right decision. It will change your entire career and entire future. Srishti has been placed into a university which world ranking is around 400. After completing her medicine program from this university, she does not need to think anything else. She has a direct PG option. She can directly practice the doctor in 30 plus countries, including UK. She need not write any lab exam for practicing as a doctor in UK, and her journey is smoother and sorted. And what made it possible? Having the correct information at correct time and taking the correct step at correct time. That is very important. So yes, this is your moment. This is your time to take a decision. This is your moment to take an action. You're just one step away from your dreams turning into reality. Wishing you all the best. Wishing Srishti all the best for her future. Thank you so much.
Contact Higher Education Center and study at the best universities of the world to become the best version of yourself.